YouTube? It's me again with this Wolf grinder. Yeah, I noticed something about this grinder. Whoever used it, I don't know, they must have a screw loose on because they grind it all on the side here. And as far as I know, you are not supposed to grind on the side because if you screw with the integrity of this disc, it'll just go poof. And there's gouges on this side, and they must have been welding with it or something because there's a groove here. And somebody was probably going grinding on this way. So it's all, there's also something black on here, but other than that, the grinder seems to be intact. Nice grinder. Picked it up cheap. Can't get this off yet, but I'm gonna, clean it up, see if I can get a new piece like this. I don't know if you could see right here, but I guess they pushed it right into the grinding wheel. There's 6-inch wheels that go in here. It looks like there was a bar for the little visor that go in here. That's gone. It works good. The switch apparently does not work, which I will show you again here. It's in off mode, and it turns on in off mode. Doesn't wobble it doesn't wobble around. I'm probably going to take this cover off, or mask it off and clean it. I'll try to get this out, or I'll just mask it off. Repaint it red, paint this red, or I'll make a new one of these. I'm pretty sure I could machine out a little piece in there, but apparently they remake these little pads in India. It doesn't look very, honestly, it doesn't look very well made. Got it online, Facebook Marketplace. I don't know why people, like I tried making a previous video of this, but it was too long. But I don't know why people don't clean these things. I mean, come on now, like a little bit of, TLC cleaning sometimes. I mean, even the logo looks 1,000 times better. So yeah, if you look online, Facebook Marketplace, you can find all kinds of cheap things. Sometimes people just get rid of it. Now I know why this person got rid of it. The switch is defective, which shouldn't be too hard finding a new switch for it, considering they still make them in India of all places. I'm sure the previous quality of this switch is not going to be anywhere near the wonderfully great Indian quality today, but it's a pretty small grinder. I think I have a 7-inch or 8-inch grinder over there, and it's bigger. This one doesn't wobble. This one doesn't wobble like it on as much. If I put my other one on the table and start it up, it'll walk right off the table. It's a Mastercraft over here. I think it's a Canadian Tire brand, Mastercraft. This one's Wolf. This one's Wolf, made in England. So apparently these were, from what I was told, they were made in the 50s. Missing this. It's a little rusty. Take it apart. Check it all out. This is all gunky and dirty. There's Zerks in there for oiling the bearings. So yeah, Wolf grinder. Picked it up real cheap. The reason why I picked up the grinder is because I always check any old grinders that have a shroud right here that are thicker than a piece of sheet metal are usually either old or older. I mean, nobody puts cast, I don't know, whatever the hell kind of aluminum or some kind of piece of metal anymore. All they do is slap a metal plate. If you buy a Baldor grinder, different story. They make those things like tanks. But this one, it's made pretty good. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Thank you.